Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making the VM image ready. Clean up updates, remove temporary files, and disable any services that lock disks so the snapshot is consistent. Next, on Windows run sysprep with generalize checked. On Linux run the wagent to provision command to remove machine-specific data. Once done, shut down the VM from the Azure portal or CLI and make sure you have the resource group, storage account, and managed disk names handy before proceeding. Now you create the managed image from the generalized disk. In the portal, go to Disks, select the managed disk, and choose Create Image, or use As Image, create resource group RG name my image source /subscriptions /disks /my disk. Choose the correct OS type and region, add tags for tracking, and confirm SKU or storage account compatibility. Make sure the disk snapshot completed successfully and that your account has permission. Finally, deploy a fresh VM from the image to validate that it boots, receives a new host name, and applies Cloud Init or sysprep correctly. If things go wrong, inspect the disk snapshot status, check IAM role permissions for storage and compute, and review image properties for correct OS type or region mismatches. If necessary, return to the source VM, rerun sysprep or the wagent to provision step, clean residual files, and recreate the image before retesting deployments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.